So here's Vegas Pro version 18 and it was constantly freezing. I had to save at every movement that I made. Okay, and how I fixed this freezing problem, at least I reduced the freezing. I'm not sure if it's totally fine, but just simply go to the installation folder of Vegas. For example, here if I right click to more, open file location, and then on the executable properties, okay, and open file location. Okay, and in this installation folder, which is program files, Vegas Pro 18, we have this FileIO plugins folder. Enter into that one, and it has this compound plug, and I simply renamed it. I added that line, add whatever you want, so that the program will not find exactly this folder name. Okay, and when it's renamed, the program is working just fine. It's not freezing. So just in case your Vegas is crashing all the time, every minute, try to rename that compound plug folder and hopefully it will work better.